Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the actual data holder for your update log. Put a module script or folder in server script service so it's secure. Once done, add a numeric version field and a date string so you can compare versions programmatically. Then build a changelist table or array that stores each entry with an ID, short title, and description. You do this now to ensure the game reads structured data instead of parsing raw text, which makes automated displays and rollbacks reliable. Next, populate the change list with concise entries and clear IDs so you can reference specific changes later. Make a getLatest version function that compares the player's last seen version and returns only the delta changes. This minimizes network cost and avoids redundant display. Then expose that function safely via a remote function or remote event and include server-side permission checks so clients can't request or alter data. This step connects your stored data to the live client UI securely. Finally, build a client UI panel that requests changes on join and visually highlights new items versus already seen entries. Use local storage or a player attribute to record last seen version. When you publish an update, increment version in the module script and trigger a server event to prompt live clients to refresh. Make sure the server updates execute before clients request data so they get the newest list. If things go wrong, check remote calls, module return values, and the order scripts run on the server.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.